Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to pay online using Wells Fargo. So obviously, the best way to do this is by using your card itself. Your Wells Fargo card can be used for any payment, but let's say you want to do it within the online banking. So it's super simple. So obviously, make sure you actually have a Wells Fargo online login. So you're going to have a username and a password. So go ahead and fill that out. Then after you do so, I blurred mine currently, then press sign on. After you're in your actual homepage, this is where the paying actually happens. So what you're going to want to do is hit transfer and pay. And you have two options. So this is the in-house option and this is the out-of-house option. The in-house option just means that Wells Fargo themselves is going to be dealing with the payment, while the out-of-house is something that they're partnered with, which is Express Send, which is a separate company. For this example, we're going to be using the in-house one, which is known as Wells Fargo accounts. So we're going to go ahead and pay with that. So this is going to lead you to this page, and basically you select your own Wells Fargo account to a different Wells Fargo account. There's this frequency option here, which is perfect for people that want to pay someone constantly. Let's say you have a monthly pay that you have to do or a weekly pay that you have to do. This is how you would automate that reoccurring payment. This is especially good for credit building. But for this example, we're just going to ignore that. And then all you have to do is put the amount and press continue. But let's say you want to send it to a non-Wells Fargo account. How would you go about that? Well, you'd add their account through here via their account number and routing number, and then do the same exact process, but instead the 2 gets replaced with the non-Wells Fargo account that you basically set up. You can also click this to manage all of the ones you had before. Let's say you want to remove one, that's how you do that. And if you need any further help, just go ahead and click help up here. If this helped you out, consider subscribing.